Come here. Come. So guys, let's get right into today's video. A live trading session from A to Z. Today, I'm going to be trading Tesla. For those of you that don't know, I'm back to trading stocks specifically. I'm going to show you guys my approach when it comes to trading volatility. I've mastered Tesla at this stage because I've spent 2 months wired into that stock. And I think the market overall doesn't have much to give with other stocks. Maybe there is a few that have volatility. But I know if there's one stock that's given, I'm going to focus on it. And Tesla is the one. Look, before I get into this video, I want to announce the winner of the last giveaway. Which, by the way, I'm giving away a 40,000 trading account in partnership with Tef's investment firm. The good news, there's another giveaway in this video. But you have to watch till the end. And at the end, you're going to see how to enter this giveaway. But let's go pick the winner, guys, and let's get right into today's video. Let's go. So, let's get right into it, guys. The market is now opened. We'll announce the winner of the giveaway before the video ends, and we'll also announce another giveaway. Maybe we'll do it halfway, maybe we'll do it at the end. Pay attention so you don't miss this, guys. Let's get right into it, and let's make a trade here. Now, you can see the account is not the same as yesterday. I took a bad trade, brought it down by 500. But now, we're going to use larger size because that's the whole point of me getting this huge account, is to trade large size. So, I'm looking at Tesla. I'm focused on Tesla more nowadays, guys. I think I've been wired into this stock the last couple of 2 months that I actually understand the behaviors. So this goes to 253, which is this level, or 255, before retracing back down. Okay? So I might take a long position on this, and I'm gonna give this 150 here, which is $1.50 stop loss. So I opened that trade. Here's my stop loss. I'm gonna increase my TP. Well, essentially it can go here, so I'm gonna put the TP right here for 1,500. Okay, now I'm gonna explain to you why I entered this trade. Well, this candle right here needs to push up before coming back to the nearest support again. So this is like creating space for a new batch of shorts. The only problem in this setup is timing your entry for the long, because it is a wick, right? It could push, hit resistance, pull back down. So you got to give it enough room for volatility. Your stop loss needs to be a little bit wide enough. 150 is good enough for me, guys. Now, this is not a demo account, and this is not a funded account either, guys, just so you know. Okay, I've explained to you what this is in the last video, which I'll have a link to in the description, so you understand. My emotions here is nothing, because this is not real capital, my capital. This is the fund's capital that I'm trading with. All right, so here we are, guys. It's a little scary one. You see even, being down 700 and 800, it is a little scary because I'm in with 1,000 shares long. And as I said, you need to give this room to fluctuate because it's a wick. But it's hard for this to drop because it's already at support. How I find my support or resistance is by simply looking at the wicks here, guys. As I said, if you've watched me for a long time, you've seen that I was actually teaching you this on futures. So this level right here, let's get a pen. So these wicks, okay, there's too many wicks here. So when the market opened, the only thing that could make sense is for Tesla to push up, and because I hit the nearest resistance, which is right here, this candle, it will hit it and then come down again. So here we go, 700 bucks. I want to see it touch this level, but I'll settle for 1,000 in this trade. By the way, I've only been trading this account for 2 days now, and I'm very careful not to go overboard with my max loss. This is the whole thing about this program I have, is there's no limitations, there's only a drawdown limit. So I'm very careful not to exceed that drawdown limit. Otherwise, they take the account back. Don't go asking for the same capital I have, by the way. I doubt you'll be able to get it. But you can always upgrade capital wise if you end up with the 40,000 account that I'm giving you. And the only way to access this program is through a trading academy, as I said. So it's slow, but it knows already where it wants to go. Okay, it knows that this is resistance right here, which is this red body of this candle. Okay, so you see how my exit is right before that body. It's actually at the wick. Okay, you see here, this is my exit, which is 1,600 is my TP. I can move it if I want, but now usually when we move things, they don't turn out good. So we'll leave it here, 252.30. Okay, I'll let this play out and I'll see you guys when it's time to close this trade. Okay guys, so this is the push coming in now. The level 2 is a bit confusing because it's not matching what's actually going on the chart, this is why I don't use level 2, right? Because it's not really matching the price action. It's a little bit delayed. So you see, I don't see any sell orders here, right? While the market is actually pulling back. So that's one thing about level 2 you got to be aware of, is not to rely on level 2. And this is what level 2 is you just see the orders that are coming through. And it's a mixed reaction right now. You can see there's not many people buying. It's mostly covers. But not many people are selling either. And this is actually matching what the candle is telling us. You can see how the candle is refusing to drop because they've already made their mind up. They know exactly where they're going. And there we go. Straight push, beautiful. It already engulfed halfway through this candle. So this is not resistance anymore. So this has to be resistance, this here. Okay, beautiful, 1,300. Okay, so that's it. Quick trade. The only problem when trading such accounts, because it's not real capital, there's no emotions, but the only thing you're gonna fall into as a trap is you think it's that easy, so you'll continuously do it and overdo it to a point where before you know it, you've given back the account and you've basically got wiped. So that's one thing you got to be careful of. So the moment of truth, one lucky winner from this comment section from the last video is going to get access to a 40,000 trading account that I paid for. Okay, and even if you don't win, then there's another chance in this video. So let's do this giveaway and give it to somebody. Let's go. Anything goes, baby, just so for transparency. Hopefully it's you. Okay, there's 94 comments. I think there's more. Clancy Henderson. Don't need the handout account because I follow my man Zed, but I wouldn't say no to it either. Bam! You didn't even know you were going to win this and you ended up winning it. By the way, make sure you're not from the US. If you're writing this from the US, then you're not going to be able to access this. So hopefully this person is not from the US. And if he's not, then he can nominate somebody else who's not from the US. So let's find this person. Clancy, 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 Clancy. There he is. Clancy, yeah. Let's click on the account. Yeah, Clancy Henderson. And that's going to be Monopoly Trading School. He's going to be shocked. So guys, the next giveaway, this is the last giveaway we're going to do here. You're going to get another 40,000 trading account, which I paid for. Okay? And you still have to comment. You still have to press the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Because I'm going to look soon to see this person is subscribed. Otherwise, I'm not giving it to people who don't follow me, right? So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you press the like and drop a comment. And similarly, make sure to write a comment and hashtag funded. Okay? But don't just write any comment. Write a good comment. Tell me about your journey, guys. Tell me what you're doing. So the winner of this giveaway that I'm doing in this video will be announced on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. But the actual participation is going to be done through the comment section and of course the like button. See you guys for more videos, and hopefully you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Bye.